In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix screen dims when playing games on full screen on your Windows PC. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type Power Options. Edit Power Plan will appear under the best match. Click on Power Options. Now here, depending on the plan or the selected plan that you have chosen, is it high performance or balance? Click on this option, change plan settings that corresponds to that. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Now here you have to look for the option Display. Click on this plus sign symbol. And here you have this option Turn off display after. You have for on battery and plugged in. You can simply change this to any minutes that you want, like 200 or 125 or so, depending on your convenience. And if you find the option adaptive brightness, just make sure to disable the adaptive brightness from here. Okay, once you find adaptive brightness, just also disable the adaptive brightness, and then you have to click on apply and click on OK. Close this. Then we have to make a right click at the start button, and then we have to select device manager. Here we need to look for monitors. And then on your monitor, you simply right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Then close this. You can also update it the second way around. Right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and simply choose the latest driver or the driver that will work for you and click on next. And Windows will successfully update your drivers. After doing so, you can also roll back the driver for the next method. So again, right click on your monitor and then select properties. Go to the driver tab. If the rollback driver option is available, simply click on rollback driver. Click on OK. Close the device manager window. We can also make sure that our Windows operating system is updated. So click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Click on Windows Update on the left pane and simply click this button right here to check for all the updates on your Windows. And click on Advanced Options. Make sure that receive updates for other Microsoft products. This is turned on. And then just simply close it once you're updated. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.